Am I really that much? And breaking these figures down like a camera. You don't really to throw you out.
Hey my lovings, please do welcome back to yet another episode of my life. My name is Uindi for those of you who do not know me, also known as Mama Imi no baby you okay. To my returning subbies, please do welcome back, and to my new babies, please do stay and become part of the family. So today it is a Sunday. Russia guys like the intro. So today it is a Sunday and I'm going out with the girlies. So I'm waiting for you makeup artist. Makeup. My makeup artist is out of town. Ukhanyi, you guys know, but I always do my face Ukhanyi like at any given day. So Ukhanyi is out of town. So Gogo, I'm using someone else, but it was a house call, so I'm just waiting for them. So please do pray with me guys. I'm gonna show you the face. So we are going for a wine tasting. The reservation is for 2 o'clock. I think in Gogo it's 11:30. So I'm just gonna do my face and then DM. So I just wanted to do the opening of this vlog and after the makeup. So yeah guys, Madini Bonnie during the process. Hey guys, so finally in the Gabile, I am done with the face. I'm with my babe. Because I think he's already there, Uvins. So guys, I did the makeup. I'm sure already you can tell, but yeah, it is what it is. So see late man, hope of like daily bread with two low ones see late, but obviously we knew buses were late because yeah. So nzonibala guys xa sifika kivenue ngoku andiyazi uba yintoni esimise apha kukho le moto lapha phambi kwethu imileyo engafuni umuva, but yeah ndizanibona xa sifika kivenue.
Lit up like a sunrise glow, touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free.
Just a quick OOTD guys, and share tripod, so I didn't forgive. I am wearing this dress from Shein. Hello. Hello. Awusemhle.
Nazi ixoxe ngoku nazi bekunyaza zawo.
Unakuhleka namhle lapha my friend. Vince. Unakuhleka namhle lapha cho. All my friend. What drinks or anything?
I ordered a cocktail ngoku, but fuck that. I'm just gonna have my cocktail.
Chomi. Zakubalisela hlala phansi zakubalisela my friend. Zakubalisela everything. Bazabe guys ngqaniwe. Anayimi mosa apha. Hayi. Hayi sani nibulele ndiphila. Awusekuhle. Akuse cute yapha.
Kaloku mandikhethe indawo ezicute. Yabona sometimes ngishitha nje ezicute. Indawo zami ke
Azihlamba because andisanaxesha ngoku itshomi yam iza kum. Andinaxesha.
Ngifuna uqalisela cocktail.
Ewe nositransport entro.
Enze itshomi idibhe ngoku yakhe.
Lesa ndimfotile ke sale kuqala. Abanye. And yena ke sezifotile ii-pictures so seke grenda amba siqale sifotile.
I'll be there for the highs and lows. Give you mine if your heart gets broke. By your side when you're all alone. I will be there.
When you're down and down on your luck, things got tough and you've had enough. When you fall down, I'ma pick you up. I will be there. I'll be there, I'll be there, I'll be there for you. I'll be there, I'll be there, I'll be there for you. Lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Hands collide like waves on the shore. Every touch leaves me craving more. Eyes meet, worlds' colors collide with you. Love's where I reside. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Even in dark skies, your light remains through every storm. You ease my pain, a rhythm of hearts. No need to pretend, this love story will never end. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free.
Hey my loves, hey my dolls. Sana soloko ndisithi gqi apha ndibaleka just ngoku ndiyabaleka like ndiseqini baleka. So but yeah, funeka ndiqalile. So today it is a Sunday. Date is 15 March. Birthday yomntanam, my big baby. She was turning 8. And ndiyafika guys, like ndifika ngoku ndisuka kwi-funeral, umntanam undifonele ekhala like she was crying. Ndakhala nam obviously ndamncedisa because why umntanam ezolila ngebirthday yakhe. She thought bana ii-plans esendizikhalishile kule ndaba esithi sizoya kuyo asisazoya because ucele uyoqubha. It's either ndimselwandle okanye ndimsepulini, so ngoku I'm thinking uba ndizomsepulini. And ixesha ngoku hey kuvala ngo-7 and I think sizoba ne-2 hours qapha for uba qubha khawulezisa, and then maybe siye kwaSpam ayotya soseyidlala phaa. And guys, sine-pandemic enkulu. I am not even sure ubana sizoenda pha si-uploada nale video, but I'm just vlogging for the sake of vlogging because the account yethu it's hacked. If andi-uploadanga kwi-account yethu le niyaziyo, obviously ndizayibona kwi-account entsha because I'm gonna have to create a new YouTube channel ngoku because i-account yethu bayihekhile. Like understand why bendigowa down izolo, ndisagowa nangoku, but I'm trying uba ndingagowi because I am celebrating umntanam. So if ndizogowa obviously naye akazokonwaba, so ndizawubeka ecaleni umgowo and then start over again with umgowo ngomso because ndizogowa shem. So yeah, that's where we are. I just want to take you guys with me, otherwise akho ndingako. So we're just waiting for Happy. uHappy wame nalo umncinci andiyazi baba yephi, silinde yena, but kule ndawo siya kuyo asizobanjiswa nguHappy. Cele ishomi yakhe bawucela sihambise then iphinde yosithatha because ubusy yena. So that's where we are guys. Nangofika actually. So also sizini ndichomi yakhe so iyafana nobebefike nini because bethe basinike 20 minutes. So hopefully ke sizoba naye noba yi-hour uba makaqubhe, an hour or 2 just for uba ave amanzi because unayo nesumo entsha. So you guys can imagine. So masambeni ke my guys, masambeni ndingaloqi kakhulu. Sana tell me about being a super mom. Ndilento ekuthiwa yi-super mom. Nange umntanam phaa. She's just enjoying i-birthday yakhe and I am so happy. My heart is so full. Nange xa ebuya kwezi mama sizoyaphi ngoku like ibirthday yafuneka ngiphele. Obviously sizophuma siye kwaSpare. Nangu enjoy birthday yakho baby. Enjoy ya. Okay, ithi enjoy birthday yakhe because kuzotyiwa imali yam. Nange omnye umncinci chilling there minding business yakhe, but I am a super mom sana and I'm so proud of myself. Like yonke into endikwazi uyenza for ezintombi ezimbini inenza proud. Khawuqubhe ndibone. Yes wena. Yes. So maybe class fika kwaSpare guys because kuzovalwa apha anytime from now, but at least uyihleli hour even though besi late, so hour to 1 hour 30 minutes uyihleli. So siya kwaSpare ngoku. Yeah. Kunengincane. Izolo khange ndisele. So it's my time to shine like such. Kumbeleni? Imilenze yakho Tombi izigxala ezilapha ezigqoleka. Yo, ukhatshanga usenhle. Kumbeleni ke ho? Idoni? Oh, it's about Wi-Fi nje. What do you mean bafuna idatha? Yenza usebenzisa Wi-Fi, uconnectile Wi-Fi la. Asamba zathenga idatha. Ufuna idatha yamalini? Andiyazi kaloku.
Noba yamalini.
Okay, zathengela la. Hayi niyaromba kodwa. Hayi ndithanda igqiba fast. Hayi niyarengoma bayeke cula ngemilomo icebo. Ongcola imilomo kodwa yinde. Hayi ingoma ndiyifuni sana iyaromba. Oh, okay, usomfakele ekhapini ne. Okay, uncedile. Uzamphathela ilandukane. Enkosi kakhulu la. Uncedile. Umuntu esiphathela nebill kodwa ngoku yazi. Umuntu esiphathela nebill. Ndizifumana apha efowunini. Okay, exactly. Ndizayijonga ngoku.
Packet jam.
Yes, but last time wayilibala ipacket yakho. Sakhumbula last time wayilibala ne-birthday. Khange uyithathe.
No.
Awusemhle. Yabo ithe nkosi.
Inkosi nani?
Tommy mama, yo. Tommy mama. Oh, okay, so okay, no, I couldn't like it. No problem.
I know she is in here. Gino!
Tommy.
There's no Kelly.
Tommy.
Search the
Tommy.
Clear. Headcount, ladies. 1, 2, 3.
Tommy. Sana mafiki bill.
You're
Ndiye amalodwa.
Hold up. Why do you look so
Njengamina olwethu.
People say that
Ngase
a lot. That must be
ndilile.
really beautiful, right?
Because why make it badolendum? I didn't really sense. I'm having isavana. Into bayiphelile i-20 minutes oko bendisela nesavana i-1 ifibini bosa ngendigongqoze kayi-1 yaphela 2 ayimbi andiyi-understand uba why abantu besela isavana ayenzi ingase ndiyifake isweki ndizoba right but
Ayom.
Oh, yachaza wena. Hey my love, ngohlisa kancane komtholo wakho necela. Animhle. It is my birthday today, sana. Ndiyazalwa. It's my birthday. Happy birthday to me. Date is 7 April namhlanje and it's my birthday. I'm coming back from Usiskhanyi. I didn't take you guys with me because oh god, I feel like I'm doing the same thing like in the repeat. So I just came back from Usiskhanyi. I think the time is 12:25. Benfika uKhanyi ngo-11 August now gone. So ngoku nzolinda umuntu ozosenza nails. I still need to do my nails and I'm gonna have to wait for uchomi yam umakazazi. I'm not sure about Vince because last time I checked but also I told them if abahambi then it's fine if they am after all. So I'm just gonna wait for Magazazi then nails while I'm waiting for Magazazi. I'm not sure basiyapi. Like at this point in time I'm not really sure basiyapi because asibukanga khona because Tuesday most abantu baphangele so akuzogcwala ezindaweni. So masambeni guys, masambeni yi-birthday lento umuntu omdala umuntu okhulile guys, masambeni. Hey guys, just back showing face again. So I am done, like done nginxibile like ndigqibile. I am done like but in the down nyanyani ngoku. The time is now, it's almost 4:30 and bendithe utshomi yam bandicela sihambe at least ngo2:30 because bendigqibeka early because bendingafuni uhamba late namhlanje. Mina sixela uba like andifuni uhamba late, ndifuna ukhawuleza ndibuye endlini. So I told her bandicela sihambe ngo2:30 and she was fine because i-makeup yam yenze ekuseni ngo-10 benoyenze ekuseni oko benenze ekuseni. So ngoku it's 4:30 and akakafiki and eyona nto indigoyisayo ngayo is that if she's running late uvese acima idatha, no communication, nothing. But ngoku usandonditeksela uthe bana sizohamba nge4:30. I'm not sure ke uba uzofika like ndi-down guys, ndi-down ingase ndikhansilishe noluhambo like imini yam vese iyamosheka nje just like that. Bendirhalela novese ndihambe ndimshiye but if akafiki ngo4:30 then ndizohamba ndimshiye and then ndidibane naye phambili because andifuna uhamba sekumnyama. Bendizixelele ba like ndifuna uba nemini yonke because ngoku if sizohamba ngo5 umzekelo sohlala ixesha elingakanani, it's just an hour yabo uba zexesha sizohlala phaa ngo6 okanye ngo7 kuyavalwa kwezi ndawo. So it's pointless ba like siyaphi. Yo guys, the down down sana, but I'm gonna see my mood yamayizuchintshana, but for now I said down. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. I'm like down yana, because no vlogger, guys. I can't even vlog. I wanna show you something, guys. Umgam got me as flowers. At least, but when he got me these flowers, like say early, then say right, like then say the end I was by excited for zone. But if there's speaking go like if there's another go, I feel like mood yam it change yo. Manje nisi masiyeke masikahambi, but again benizilengele bazophuma namhlanje. Benizilengele bazohamba namhlanje, but ke it is what it is. So I'm just gonna wait for her. Ba ubethile 4:30 then akafika then ndiyahamba. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys then when it's all today. Hopefully I will share tripod because okokoko that's loko ndilibala tripod, but hopefully ngibeke up. Ndingazuyishiya. So yeah, ndizanibona guys xa ndifikayo. Ndizanibona. Oh, also enye update guys, khange ndizenze nails because ndiye ndayokenza makeup ne. Ki makeup ndafika ndifike nge-past 10. So ki makeup noma ndigqibe pha ngo-12 kwenza makeup. Pha I think ndigqibe 12:15 ukwenza makeup. So ndaza apha endlini. So uza ngapha endlini ndaqonda ke nomntu nenze nails nenzela apha endlini mos ndaqonda ba uzozondenza. But naye akafika de kwabetha past 1, 2 engekafiki. So uthe xa kubetha 2 ndathi makasoseye because besisendleleni ndathi bana uzozoba late yabo, but at least bene customer azoyenza apha around kule ndawo ndikuyo. So ndathi bana makasose siya kuyo then mina uncancelisha because andizulenza ixesha. So now I'm thinking ba ngenise ndayenza nails guys instead of ndihlale nje doing nothing because ndihleli ngoku I'm not doing anything, I'm just waiting and yazi ba ndiwait. But ke 4:30 guys ndiyahamba, like 4:30 because andifuni as much as mina ndisayimoshakele, but andifuni imosha any further, like imood yami down guys yo ingase ndilile. But yeah, ndizonibona guys. Guys, hi, ndiyabuya back ngoku. We just arrived kwi-venue sise Asara. I just want to tell you guys that imood yam right, I am back, I am okay, like in the fully the right to start the day. So this is why the right. This is the girl, even Goisa, guys. The reason why I did right, guys, imagine one saying, it told me they ran late. She was running late because she had to go and get me a gift. Oh my heart, guys. Oh my heart, Sana. Like I wasn't expecting anything from Lomdo because they said about this thing. Like we spoke about this gifting thing, and I was like, no, sharp for reasons as one. But like I was so shocked to go Utimavula boots and get your gift. And this is the gift. Guys, I've never had this bag, like Ipekenje, or even this size, yeah, bag. Oh, Mama Sada. Ishomiam knows me better. She knows me more than I know myself. And she got me these sandals, guys, from Woolworths. What do you mean from Woolworths? Get your friends ezokuthanda yo. Get your friends ezokuthanda yo. Sana sifuna ukubona happy. Like ungowisile lo. Ngowe that's why iminiam iphelile like this. Yo ungowisile. But Shem yes. Ebevele emsebenzini Tom yam also uphume emsebenzini and she was like, I'm celebrating this day with you. Masante. Oh, love you, Tomyam. Love you a million times. Oh, Uthixo sanabe nawe akusikele. Guys, unezihlangu zam. You guys know ezazihlangu. Ezahlangu ezipink, you guys know about them. Dineza zihlangu akafuna uzibona guys. Every chance ayifumanayo uthi ukhulule izinto, uthi uthi izinto. Izihlangu zam akafuna uzibona. But ke kuzofuneka ndizichange because the upgrade, fully upgraded. Oh, get yourself friends like mine. I love you so much, Tonya. Love you loads. My son is yours. And yes, I think I hope I got a very soon. Hey, I once took a picture up, I guess, but and the picture was bomb. And in front of Pinindi, you offer the Lapaganda. Oh, Zanimana, guys. The says I'm a song. Yeah? What's in? So, guys, I want to show you something. The Kalise today, ndiqalise ijeni. Okay, kantoni. Ndiqalise ijeni, guys, no drinking. This is what I'm having. Yo, sala umntu aba ugalelwa amanzi because phofu naye, I'm not the only one. Naye uthe uqala.
Sungifaki.
But ayithe besiqalise sobayi-2 nje.
Cheers, my angel. I'm having some iced tea.
And I'm having a appetizer. The no drinking
Sober.
week begins.
Sober day one.
Day one sober. Hey my lovings, hey my dolls. I hope you guys are good. Why I hope you guys are good. Sana le vlog it delayed, but ke at least siyaqhubelisa namhlanje. It's a delayed vlog, but anyway, I am doing a sit down today. The reason why I'm doing a sit down is because I want to show you guys the package that I received from Shein. Shein, my favorite shop, you guys already know. They sent me Inwele that I want to show you guys. So I haven't worn the hair, they're still brand new, and once I install the hair, I'm gonna come back to you guys and show you how it looks. But for now, I just want to show you what I got. So yeah, you guys will have to excuse me one rubber, guys. It's just and with the editing and all that, but here we are, Gogo. So this is the first package that we received by Quality Hair Marketplace, selected by Shein. So you'll end up the box. So this is how it looks on the inside. I think there's a plastic bag. I think there's a bag Shein, but I'm not sure about what the ends and don't need, but basically plastic. So this is the first thing that I got. It's 3D eyelashes. Let me see how they actually look, because I can't get this drawing. Let me just see. Oh, so you guys can see. So this is the first thing. Oh, let me first tell you guys a pandemic. Ne? When you order from Shein, please make sure that we are fundisisa, because I ordered the hair from Shein, and I thought in the order 16-inch wenwele, which is a bulb, of course, like in the order like full frontal 16-inch, but to my surprise I only got in a closure. But the nicest thing about the closure that I got is HD. If you guys know about hair, you will know why in HD. For me, I didn't even know why in HD. I had to get people educate and tell me, "Bana, this is the difference between the normal closure and the normal HD." And they said that this HD closure is a bit expensive. And because ezinye that I got, it's a full frontal, and they're around about the same price. And also, this is a bit pricey than Easy that I got. So it explains why. But I'm so happy. I am so happy. Guys, I've never ordered hair from Shein again. I've never ordered hair from Shein before. This was my first time to order from Shein, and I was a bit scared. But let me just show you guys. What do you even? Oh, lace. This is the hair, guys. Let me show you like this. Yeah, this is the hair. The quality is insane. This is a 16-inch HD lace. HD, that's the kind. This is how it looks. So what I've decided is that I do have an old wig. So what I'm gonna do is just change the closure wig in Nala, and then you guys can see how long this is. It's very long, guys. Some of the quality is insane. I don't even wanna lie. It's giving angas. But sana, when I rock these, when I do nizonbona, you guys will just tell ba is. So this is the first hair that I got, which I am so happy about. And to tell you guys, please run, because equality yazo, it's giving sana. It's giving everything and more. So this is the first one that I got. Obviously, guys, as I've said, I haven't installed the hair, but when I do, I'm obviously gonna come back and just show you guys how it looks. I'm first gonna do a week revamp for Ezi, because I'm gonna have to change lace kweziana and then ndifake lena and then install the hair. I'm not sure when I'm gonna do that. I'm really not sure. And I went on and got myself a different color. I went out of my comfort zone and I got a color that I've never had before, that like andiazi, but I think I'm just hoping I'm just praying and hoping but isn't funny, but knowing myself I thought it's funny. So are you ready? Are you guys ready for the reveal, for the final reveal? Okay, let's do this. Let me first show you guys the color. This is, oh, I love it so much. So I'm sure you guys can already tell, but Lena is on the shalam dasekai. So this is a full frontal lona. I also love the quality. This is it just, I think is it a 16 or is it a 12? Let me just check it up. Okay, I'll put it up. Oh guys, and the strong, but I'm gonna attach somewhere up and I'm not sure if it's a 16 or if it's a 12 or it's a 14. I'm really not sure. So this is how the hair is looking for now. Obviously iso look a bit weird, but once I install the hair you guys will see it. And I'm thinking, let me first install Ezi. What do you guys think? Do you think I should start with like 8 delays, or can you guys want to see Dizobanjani with Ezi? I'm thinking, let me first install Ezi and then and Pina the next time, because Leana it's a phone needs as and so let me start with these. I'm gonna install these. Okay, when I remove Ezi, sorry for that, I was saying guys, I'm gonna install these so that you guys can see how they actually look. Like the quality is also giving. The quality is also insane. And these ones were not even that expensive. Okay, I'm obviously gonna attach the codes, guys, so that you can go and check the pricing of Ezinwele Zombini. But I'll show you guys, especially Ezi. But Ezi, obviously they are a bit pricey because it's an HD lace. It makes sense. But Ezi pricing yazo in normal, it's even cheaper than so please, I'm gonna install the hair and then I'm gonna come back to you guys and show you. But again, obviously not a vlog, not even the vlog a live, but I'm gonna come back and show you guys. So Shein, baby, that's oh, this one is I cannot wait to rock these. And winter, and I'm thinking but I'm gonna have to figure it out. Yeah, so yep. So this is the hair from Shein. I'm gonna attach all the details with description box so that you guys can get the codes and everything else that you guys need. And we also, okay, we are done with Shein. We are done with the Shein packaging. So I also want to show you guys something else that I got for Inriam, of course. So I went on and got a familiam that I made from, you guys already know. So this is my husband, this is my daughter, this is me, and this is baby you, no Olaf. Some of you guys might have seen these pictures. It was it was a pregnancy photo shoot, got baby you. So we went and got these. So now the contact details, I'm not sure if you guys can see. In case ndiyalibaluza attach nazi lo mntu uyenzayo ulapha around abeKhayelitsha. If you are in Cape Town and useKhayelitsha, and you can just get the number and inquire about the prices, because the prices differ with sizes. Because is this A4? Is it A3 or A4? I'm really not sure. But number somewhere up. I'm gonna attach the number somewhere up so that you guys can see. So then already apparently I think there's a comma somewhere pa mirror. Hopefully izawuhlala kakuhle pha. So I'm so happy. And in the stressor is that we can't even print the pictures of that baby you, because if we do, and then if I'm gonna take a content opinion, obviously I'm not at that stage of exposing baby you with social media. Maybe and yes, maybe in the him expose, but for now I feel like andifuni like I've been getting a lot of people bendibuza about why ndingamshowi ubaby you. Honestly guys, I have no reason not to show baby you, but it's just that it's a personal choice guys, andifuni like I'm not ready to expose ubaby you with social media with a lot of bullying eyenzekayo ngoku. Like she's being bullied like nangoku ndingamexposanga. Like you'll get a lot of people abathetha izinto eziyi-snacks ngaye. Imagine ngoku if ndizomveza kwi-social media. But one thing I can assure you guys is that umhle ufana nomamakhe. Oh, umhle ufana nomamakhe. Like even people that have met ubaby you, even a mall, can also attest to this. Umhle guys ufana nomamakhe. I'm not hiding ubaby you because I feel like it looks zakhe as quite enough. No, she's beautiful. Ufana no Imi, but ki una version ngatatakhe. So you guys get. So I'm not ready to expose baby you to social media. That's the only thing I can say for now. It's not that you could tag out and you could see me, but I am not ready. So ngoku asikwazi uprint pictures zakhe ezinobuso bakhe because sizozichoma apha endlini and then ndizophinda ndithathe icontent apha endlini and then people bazombona. So I might as well maybe xa enonyaka. But even kuloo nyaka, I don't think I'm going to expose her with social media because I'm not at that stage of exposing umntanam with social media. But yes, lo mdala, she's been on social media. So removing uImi ngoku, it's just pointless because like abantu sebemazi. So yeah guys, enough with the yapping. So on Nance a portrait. So on this same vlog Sana, because yeah, it's on this same vlog. Guys, ndagilwa i-makeup artist. Andifuni nibe nibuza questions nisithini bakwenzeke ntoni. So I got an inbox from someone esithi bawucela undenza ubuso. She's a makeup artist based in Khayelitsha. And ngala weekend makeup artist yami yayingekho uKhanye. You guys already know makeup artist yami already by now. uKhanye wayengekho, she was away for I think a funeral or something where's the Eastern Cape. So I was like, oh okay, ungandenza because makeup artist yami ayikho yabo. What uzayenza house call uzonenza lapha endlini. I was okay sharp. Sana you guys saw ke ba kwaphuma ntoni and how I wish banave sendahamba ninje because I still look pretty with ubuso bam, just my face yabo kubheka nje. But ke it is what it is. Shem wa apologize and she was like, why you so yika? And ngoku I'm thinking ba ingase ne amane zondenza. Oh, I'm not sure about the team. Ingase amane zondenza like xa ndingazohamba okanye because you can tell ba uyikuyo nyani makeup. She's into makeup because when you see pictures zakhe yena zenze ngokwakhe umhle like right because I saw pictures zakhe azenzileyo and she was like why so yika ngokwayizokwenzana. Ndithi mana iwasiba ndikhulu kanjani ndingumuntu okhulu. So I don't understand umuntu xa ezondoyika. But guys, it is what it is. But my makeup artist is backing, and I'm thinking, but I need to find someone else or a makeup artist so that uKhanye, if I get, I know I have like that I'm gonna work with because I already work with uKhanye. Oh, by the way, I did my hair Slayed by Twins. They are based in Gugulethu, Air 40. Yo, but if you guys know Gugulethu, but I'm gonna try and attach number yake apa. I've been doing my hair Slayed by Twins since 2022, and I've been doing my makeup Kanye since 2022 as well. So yeah, it is what it is, guys. So also here, guys, been in a lot. We have started the no drinking. Diago day 100. To go day 2 namhlanje. A lemon twist le. Ela nintana say guys, please. Yo yes, I think ziyi-2. Ezimpukane sana ezingafuna move up. Ziyi-2 qha. Azifuna move tu sana ziyazulazula. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I know it was upside down. But finally they dropped something. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I hope you guys did not skip the ads, and I pray that you watched till this far. And if Lev vlog gets to 20k, I'm gonna upload Enya. So I'm gonna wait for this vlog to get to 20k because I still need to there's a vlog that I need to upload after Lena vlog Yomgidi that I went to. So if this one gets to 20k, then we're gonna upload Enya. See that right? So I love you guys so much and thank you so much for being patient with me, man. Like busy. So most of the time I'm being alone pressure to do all the editing. But obviously I was and so yeah guys, let me love and leave you for now. I'm obviously gonna see you guys on the next one as soon as we reach 20k views up. Then siyakweni. I love you guys so much. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. Please be blessed.
High volume. Am I really that much?